Hello everyone, my name is Konstantin Smirnov. I made this model of a new type gasoline engine. As you can see, there's no cylinders, no pistons, no crankshaft. Instead, I used to liquid with the bags and the shaft with the blades. This bag I used to in my previous model engine. It's made of leather, coated high-temperature sealant and stitched with a metal thread. It's really durable and can withstand explosion under liquid. So, let me tell you more how it works. When the fuel goes inside first bag, plug produce spark and the fuel is burned. It pulls up second bag with these little frames, and the fuel goes there too. After that, first one produce an exhaust, third and fourth bags works the same. Explosion moves liquid, and the liquid moves shaft with the blades. It's circling inside, that's how it works. I call this hydraulic blades engine by Konstantin Smirnov. This mechanism on the top is almost the same as regular. I just split camshaft and turn it. So, what advantages do I see in this type? There's no friction inside because it's full of liquid. It provides lubrication and cooling. The metal parts doesn't rub against each other, which mean no mechanical damage to them. In theory, this engine can rotate at any speed and doesn't require to use with gearbox. Second version, with turbo on the top, works almost the same, but without frames on the backs. So, that's all. Thanks for watching. Big thumbs up. Leave your comments, questions, subscribe. Bye.